Alright, so behind me is one of the best cars that they've ever made in my opinion. And what? Who the hell parked this thing over here? Alright, that's much better. Behind me is one of the best cars ever made. This is your Toyota 200 series Land Cruiser. It came in here to Land Cruiser Heaven for a bit of a upgrade. So it already had some of the accessories on. So the things that we added to the vehicle were our snorkel, slimline snorkel. So this is going to breathe a lot better. We did a set of Unka side steps to the vehicle. We put a Big Country, it had a Big Country roof rack on, so we put the Big Country table on top, the removable table. We put the Big Country gas bottle bracket on over there. We also did something pretty cool on this vehicle. We've put, if you check underneath over here, we'll put a 140 litre stainless steel tank that's come in. Something else that we did to the vehicle is that we neatened up the wiring system in front, all labeled. Like you guys know, we want to know what's happening in the bush. If you take a look over here, we've got our flash lube pre-diesel filter. So the diesel comes into the filter, then runs into your Toyota filter, and then into the engine. The other thing we did on this vehicle was we added full power brakes all around. So we've got power brake discs and pad in front, and power brake discs and pad in the back, which is quite nice. We've also added a set of diff breathers. So this vehicle is going to be used purely for touring. So you long in the day and you're driving up and down, the diffs are working very hard, and do a river crossing. That warm diff housing then is hot, and as soon as you cool it down, the air condenses on the inside and it sucks a bit of moisture and a little bit of water through the diffs and through the seals and all of that sort of stuff. So now we've added diff breather, so that diff can breathe now very nicely. So hot and cold through the top of there and less water. So come to LCH and let us get you prepared for the long trip ahead. Cheers.